Hello all, in today's lecture we will be studying modules, comments and PIP. As in last lecture you have installed Anaconda, so let's get started with Anaconda. In order to open Anaconda, you have to go to the search menu. In the search menu you have to type Anaconda, click on enter. As you click on enter, the Anaconda prompt will open. In the prompt, you need to open Jupyter Notebook. Jupyter, Jupyter Notebook, and click on enter. As you click on enter, automatically the Jupyter Notebook will open in Windows Explorer. We will open a new file, Python 3. Let's get started with our first program. It says print hello, I am Vishnu. Print open parenthesis, single quotes, hello all, I am Professor Vishnu. In order to execute this, you have to click either on run button over here, or you need to click on shift plus enter on the keyboard. So I will click on run. Yes, it has got executed over here and we got an output. So what print command does is, whatever is there inside a single quote, it will print that statement as an output. In the same way, you to type your first program. Hello, I am Ram. Hello, I am Sham, and so on. If this is your first program in Anaconda, I congratulate you for your first program. You to congratulate yourself by typing congratulations to myself in the comment below. Through this, I will come to know how many of the students have written their first code of Anaconda with me. So please do comment. The next is module. Module is a file containing a certain function. If I want to print a plot, so that time I will be using the module matplotlib. If I want to play a music, I will be using the play sound module, and so on. So these modules are classified into two types. The first one is built-in modules and the second one is the external modules. The built-in module comes along with the installation of Python program. If you see the example of built-in modules which are given over here, OS and ABS, if I want to access this inbuilt modules, what I need to do is, I need to type import OS and run it. Yes, it has imported OS and it has run successfully. Now second, we will go to external modules. Okay. In external modules, you need to install it using the pip command that is given over here. So some of the examples of external modules are TensorFlow, Flask, PyForest. So let's type this, import Flask, invalid syntax, I am PORT, import Flask. Okay. Module not found error, okay, because this is an external module. In the same way, I will type import PyForest. This is also an external module. If you see over here, module not found error. So how we need to install these external modules? It is told already over here. You need to use a pip command. So where do I need to use this pip command? You need to use it in Anaconda. Go to Anaconda, type pip install py forest. Click enter. Pip install py forest. Click on enter. Automatically it will be getting installed. Yes, it is downloading from the internet and it is getting installed now over here. So once it is got installed, automatically we can access its function from Jupyter Notebook. Import PyForest. Yes, it has got imported. It doesn't show any error as of now. So these are very few examples which I have given for inbuilt modules or built-in modules, OS, ABS, for external modules, Tensor, Flow and Flask. In order to see all the other modules that are available on net, let me type modules in Python. Here we will be accessing it from Python. Click here. Once you click here, if I zoom this, we can see all the different types of module, ABC, AIFC, and this is the list of modules that are available in which you can perform the set of operation whichever you desire to perform in your Python. Let me close this. Next, using Python as a calculator. We go back. In calculation, we perform the basic operations such as addition, multiplication, division and subtraction. So starting with addition, 5 plus 2 and shift enter, it will give me 7. 5 minus of 2 will give me 3. 4 multiplied by 2 will give me 8. For multiplication, you need to use this sign asterisk. 4 divided by, for division you need to use the sign slash. 2, enter. Yes. So we have performed all the 4 basic mathematical operations. Next, comments. Comment is a statement that is written in Python but it is not executed. Let us type a comment. I will type a comment here. Hash hello all. In order to type a comment, we use a pound symbol. And this is my comment. So if I execute this, it has not got executed. It is not showing me any output. So if you use a pound symbol, the statement after it doesn't get executed. So that's all for today. After this, a set of exercise is given over here. There are around 5 questions. These are a very selective question. This particular exercise is designed in such a way that whatever commands that you learn in that particular class, it covers up all that commands. Hence, you should attempt all the exercises that are given after every chapter. Secondly, whenever you are stuck in any particular exercise, if you can't do or if you can't solve that particular exercise, go to Google. Don't hesitate to go to Google. Google will give you all the answers, and this is the fastest way to learn. Getting started with the exercise. Write a program to print a favorite song. I will print a poem instead. For the poem, I will type Twinkle Twinkle poem. Twinkle Twinkle poem. Enter. Yes. It is over here. If I see Twinkle twinkle little star, how I wonder what you are. So I will just copy this, Ctrl C, print, Ctrl V, enter. Twinkle twinkle little star, how I wonder what you are, up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. The second question in the exercise is, print the table of pi in the Jupyter notebook. 5 multiplied by 1, 5 ones are 1, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 sixes are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40, 5 nines are 45, 5 tens are 50. We are done with the table. Next, install any external modules and perform the operation of your interest. So let's play a music in Jupyter Notebook. In order to play a music, I will type play audio in Python. Select here. Once you select over here, what it tells us is, in order to play the music, you need to use pip install play sound. Go to Anaconda, pip install play sound. Let me copy this directly. Ctrl C, Ctrl V. I have already installed Anaconda, so it is showing me the requirement already satisfied for play sound. Go back. Going back to the file. After installation of this, the second step is from play sound import this. Now you have to import it. So let me paste it directly. Play sound. From play sound, import play sound. So it will be importing play sound in the Jupyter Notebook. After importing play sound, we have to show the path of which file you want to play the music. So here it's an MP3. So let me find an MP3 song. Let me go to C drive. In C drive, we'll go to user. In users, go to Win10. Go to Win10. I will copy this. There is a song over here, MP3 file, which I have already saved. Ctrl C. Copy the location now. Copy the location over here. Yes, location has been copied. Secondly, you need to copy the name of the file. Yes, I have copied it. Slash. Yes, I have copied it. Let me play it. Shift enter. Yes, it is showing an error over here. So what the error is, you have to use // over here. Okay. Now let me play this. Shift enter. Can you hear the sound? It has been restarted the kernel. Okay. So this is a way to stop it. If you don't want to stop it, you can obviously enjoy the music, right? The next question is, write the Python program to print the content of the directory using the module OS. So whatever is present in the directory OS, that I need to print it. Now where is the directory OS? If you want to check this directory, what you have to do is, manually, if you want to see where this file is actually OS, where all the files have been dumped, you need to go to any of the Anaconda prompt shell. This will give me the location C user win10 Jupyter notebook. C user win10. This I have already opened over here. C user win10. Here all the files will be stored whichever you saved in the Jupyter notebook. Right? So whenever you want to access any particular file which is been saved in Jupyter notebook, you have to come to this location. So in order to get the address of this location, you have to go to Anaconda prompt shell, and the first line will give you the address of the file saved in the Jupyter notebook. We will minimize this. Let's get started with the code. What it tells is, you have to import the module OS. Import OS, enter. In order to access the directories of this, you need to print, open the bracket, os dot list dir, press enter. See, this is the list of the directory which are present in that particular folder. If you want to go and cross check, yes, of course you can go and cross check this. I have written this directly as I know this. You can go in Google, you can search. As I told you initially, Google is your best friend. Whatever doubts you have, go to Google, search it. I knew this, so I have written this directly. And the last question, what the last question says, label the program written in the problem 4 with comments. How to write the comment? Use a pound symbol. Fourth program is this. Let me label it. Use a pound symbol. I am importing the module OS. Enter. Let me execute it again. I have executed it. I am printing. Use a pound symbol. I am printing the list of directory. So here we have completed the exercises for the chapter modules, comments and PIP. All the respective files, whether it's an exercise file or the file of the chapter that we have solved in this particular class, this will be provided to you. Now next question is, if I provide you this file, how do you have to access this file? This has a separate extension. So let me show you how to access this. Now how to save the file and how to access the location of the file. So let me open a new file over here. As this file consists of a different extension, I will write over here the demo file, demo file. After writing this, I will save this file, save as demo file. Save. Yes, it has got saved. Now where it has got saved, you have to go over here, check the location. As I have told you initially, C user win10. If I go to this folder, see, demo file is there over here. Okay. This This is the demo file. Let me just zoom it. Okay. If you check over here, the demo file is over here, right? So this is a way to access it. Now if you want to open this file, demo file, you need to go back to Jupyter Notebook. Let me close this. To go to Jupyter Notebook, right? On the front page itself, the file will be there. Yes, demo file. Click on it. Automatically it will open. Even the file which I give you to practice, the exercise file and the basic chapter file, you need to save in the location as mentioned here. You need to save it. Once you save in this particular location, then you need to go over here, and here by clicking it, automatically you can access it, right? So that's all for today. Thank you all guys. Keep learning, keep coding.